You've probably noticed that food is getting really expensive, and it's about to go up even more. So if you have limited space but you want to eat healthy, you need to store your food to make it last as long as possible. Take these organic cucumbers, for example. They're sold in plastic bags at Whole Foods or Trader Joe's, maybe some other stores. But they can go bad really quickly if you leave them in the bag like this. So here's how to make them last a week or more. Take them out of the bag, rinse them, put a paper towel in the bag, and wrap each cucumber in a separate paper towel. Then store them in the bag again, but leave the top open to keep them from getting too damp. To store kale, I rinse it, cut it, and store it in a Ziploc bag with a paper towel inside, and then I zip the bag shut to keep some of the moisture in. Carrots can be stored in the veggie bin in the same plastic bag they came in. Sometimes I store them in a flat container in the veggie bin with a small amount of water under a screen. Then I put the top on. This keeps the container moist, but the carrots aren't immersed in water. I'll keep exploring the best ways to store fresh food when you don't have a lot of space. If you've got some tips you want to share on how to store food and keep it from going bad, leave them in the comments below.